Hi everybody, welcome to the Fruit Ninja martial art lesson. In this lesson, we're going to be practicing some slicing of fruit. Okay, it should be pretty fun. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, okay? Let's get started with the lesson. Chariot? Kenya? Awesome. All right, let's get started with the warm-up.
All right, we'll start with jumping jacks. Repeat after me. I'm going to say, Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Awesome. Start rotating arms. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Going the other way. Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Awesome. We're going to warm up with some punches. Okay, so we're going to go jab crosses just like this. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Now this time do some uppercuts. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Some knees this time. Right and left. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. One last one. Reaching for your toes. Just hang like this. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. And come back up. All right. Shake your hands. Shake out your legs. Chariot. Kenya.
Awesome. All right, welcome back, you guys. All right, hands up fighting stance. All right, we're going to go right into a game today. So here's what we're going to practice. We're going to make a knife hand. I'm going to make your hands like this. Awesome. When you do a knife hand, you want to push this part of your hand out, and you want to pull your fingers back. And see my thumb? It's not going to be here. It's going to be right here to the side, okay? So here's what we're going to practice. We're going to practice cutting up some fruit, okay? We're going to see some different fruits come up, like watermelons, right? Apples, bananas, all sorts of stuff like that, pineapples, and we're going to cut them. Now, we got to make sure we avoid the bombs, just like in Fruit Ninja, okay? So let's go ahead and practice that. Our hands up fighting stance, keep our eyes out. Now, I gotta warn you, don't hit your TV screen, okay? I don't want to get an email from your parents saying, hey, my kid hit the screen because he told him to. No, don't hit the screen, okay? I'm gonna say yes, sir, if you understand. Okay, good. Stay away from the screen. Don't actually touch it, okay? Just do it in the air with me. Okay, good. All right, now we got that out of the way. Our hands up fighting stance. All right, make your knife hands. And here comes the fruit. Ready, go. Good, go. Good, 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 go. Awesome, good job, you guys, go. Nice, good work. Try to keep up with me. Good, good. Good, just use your knife hands. Good, good. Awesome, good job, good job. Good, good work. Good, 3 more times, go. Good, go. Good, go. 1 more, go. Awesome, good job. All right, now this time we're gonna do hammer fists. So make your hands like this. So we're gonna be practicing throwing hammer fists this time to break all the fruit. Ready? And go. Good, go. Good, go. Good job, go. Good work, go. 5 more times, go. Good, go. Good, go. Good, go. 2 more, go. 1 more, go. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. Very, very good work. Awesome. All right, now we got this one's a little more challenging. This time, I want you guys to take 1 foot and balance like this. Now from here, we're gonna use both knife hands and hammer fists, okay? But for now, we'll do knife hands with this leg and then hammer fists with this leg, but we gotta keep it balanced. Ready? All right, pick up your foot like this. Awesome, now occasionally, the fruit's gonna go on this side or this side, and we have to physically hop over before we hit them, okay? So try to follow what I do, okay? Our hands are here. Good, we're gonna stay here. All right, knife hands, and go. Good, try to keep it balanced. Go. Good, go. Good, awesome, hop over here now. Ready, go. Good, go. Good, go. Good, awesome, all right, hop over here. Ready, go. Good job, go. Good, go. Good, 1 more, 1 more. Ready, go. Good, go. Good, go. Awesome, good job, you guys. All right, let's switch to the other leg. Pick up this leg like this. All right, hammer fists now. Ready? And go. Good job. Go. Good, go. Good, go. Awesome. All right, hop over here now. Ready? And go. Good, go. Good, go. Good, go. Awesome, good job. All right, last one. Hop over here. Ready, go. Good, go. Good, go. Awesome, good job. You guys have 5. All right, you want an extra hard challenge? Okay, let's see if you can handle it. Now, we're gonna do scissor kicks. Now, we're gonna do scissor front, scissor round, and scissor axe. Here's what I mean. We're gonna do this. Now, there's gonna be a big, giant fruit. A giant pineapple's gonna come out. We gotta go scissor front, And then the next one's gonna be another pineapple, but sideways. So we're gonna go scissor round. And then the final one, we're gonna come up, we're gonna do scissor axe, straight down the middle, okay? Let's do that, ready? Pick up your knee. Awesome, 3 more fruit, ready? Scissor front. Good, nice. Now let's see if you can do scissor round. Scissor round. Good, nice, good job, buddy. And scissor X. Awesome, good job, you guys. 5. You guys did a fantastic job today. Chariot, can you? Awesome, all right, now, before you guys leave, we got something really cool to talk about. We're gonna talk about Saint Teresa. If you don't know who that is, I highly recommend you stick to the end. She's a really cool, awesome person that you guys should know a lot about, okay? So make sure you stick with the end of the video and finish with the cool down. I'll see you guys soon. Saint Therese of Lisieux was born Marie Françoise Therese Martin on January 2nd, 1873 in Alencon, France. She was the youngest of 9 children, but only 5 girls survived into adulthood: Marie, Pauline, Leonie, Kayleen, and Therese. Her parents are Saints Louis and Zélie Martin. Therese was spoiled, proud, sensitive, attention-seeking, and stubborn. One day, Leonie had a box of dressmaking materials for dolls that she offered to Kayleen and Therese. Kayleen chose 1 ball of wool, but Therese took the whole box and said, "I choose all." Eventually, she would learn to choose all not for her own sake, but for the love of God. Zélie Martin died of breast cancer in 1877, bringing tragedy into the previously happy family. 4-year-old Therese adopted Pauline as her mother the next 6 years. In 1883, Pauline entered the Carmelite monastery in Lisieux. Shortly afterwards, Therese contracted a mysterious illness. She was miraculously cured by a smile from the statue of Our Lady of Victories. Shortly after Therese's cure, Marie also entered into the Carmelite monastery. Little Therese had wished to become a nun since the age of 3, and now at the age of 10, she begged to join the Carmelite monastery, following in the footsteps of her 2 older sisters. However, the local bishop suggested she wait till she was older. When Therese was 13, she had what she calls her Christmas conversion. She says in her autobiography, Story of a Soul, "In an instant, I grew up." It was in this moment that she stopped being self-centered and became determined to save the souls of great sinners. This Christmas miracle increased her desire to become a Carmelite nun and give her back to the joy she lost when her mother had died 10 years earlier. For the rest of her life, she would be remembered for the joy that she radiated. At the age of 14, Therese sought permission to enter the Carmelite monastery in Lisieux as soon as possible. He asked her why she wished to enter when she was so young. She replied, "I wished it since the dawn of reason." After the local bishop refused, she traveled to Rome with her father and Kayleen and appealed to Pope Leo XIII for permission to enter. He told her, "Do what the superiors tell you." Therese tried again, saying, "O Holy Father, if you say yes, everybody will agree." She wrote in the Story of a Soul, quote, "He gazed at me speaking these words and stressing each syllable. Go, go, you will enter if God wills it." The tearful Therese had to be carried out by Swiss guards, but this did not stop her determination. On New Year's Day, 1888, permission was finally granted. On April 9th, 1888, at the age of 15, Therese entered the Carmelite monastery in Lisieux, the desert of her dreams. Therese received the habit at the age of 16 and made her religious profession at the age of 17. On September 8th, 1890, the birthday of the Blessed Mother, she took the religious name Sister Therese of the Child Jesus of the Holy Face. During her time as a sister, she was known as an ordinary, good, reliable, and talented nun. She served as sacristan and mistress of the novices, painted pictures, and wrote poems and short plays. Therese is most known for her little way. She spoke not of doing great things, but of small things with great love. She saw herself as a child who lived in complete dependence on God. Therese acknowledged her littleness and believed this showed more clearly God's greatness. She once said, "If all the lowly flowers wished to be roses, nature would lose its springtime beauty." Therese saw herself as a tiny flower in the garden of God and believed his power shone more clearly through her weakness. She had a practice to help her count her little deeds for God that is simple and perfect for children of all ages. Therese had a string of beads, known as sacrifice beads or good deed beads. This is a simple string of beads with a medal on one end and a crucifix on the other. In between are 10 beads. Children love carrying these in their pockets and often become very conscious as they seek to make Jesus happy. Every time they make a sacrifice or do a good deed or say a kind word, they can pull up a bead towards the cross. However, it's important for them to understand that Saint Therese considered even picking up the small things, like a piece of string, to be an act of love. It is not the greatness of what we do that matters, but the love with which we do with them.
Awesome job, you guys. All right, let's finish up the class today with the cool down. So I want everyone to go ahead, go down on one knee like this. We're gonna stretch out our hip, okay? So I'm gonna take your hand on your hip like this. I want you guys to go ahead and push yourself forward. Okay, now we're gonna count to 10 in Korean for pizza. For nice nod after me. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna take one foot. We're gonna pick up our knee just like this, and then we're gonna put our hands on the ground. Just keep ourselves stable, stretching out our quad muscle right here. Then we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome job, you guys. All right, now this time we're gonna stretch out this leg. Okay, I'm stretching out our hamstring, reaching for your toes. So everyone together, everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. Let's turn to the other side this time. Ready? Now we're gonna stretch our hip on this side. Good. Now make sure you don't forget to breathe. Okay? Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good, nice. Now we're gonna take this foot, we're gonna stretch it out just like this. Good, awesome. All right, let's together say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, now keeping this leg straight, toes pointing up, stretching out our hamstring. Ready? Good. I'm leaning down, reaching for your toes. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, and up. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna go down to our stomach just like this, and we're gonna stretch out. Just stretch our upper body just like this. Okay? And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time, here's what we're going to do, okay? We're going to be on our knees like this. We're going to stretch out our wrists. I want you guys to take your hands just like this. Turn them upside down. Place them on the mat gently on the ground. And then very slowly lean back. Don't go too quick. So really slowly lean back. Okay? And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. Now we're gonna take our fingers. We're gonna go this way now. Fingers down. Good. Now leaning back slowly. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, shake your hands. Shake it out just like this. I'm gonna take one hand, put it on the side of your head like this. We're gonna stretch out the side of our neck here. Repeat nice loud after. Be really gentle. Hold. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job. Other side now. Stretching out your neck. Now say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good, awesome. Now this time, hands in the back of our head here. We're stretching our neck down. Let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. Good job. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders a little bit. Very good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now we got a couple more stretches, some standing ones. So I'm gonna take your feet together just like this. I want you guys just to hang. Just hang down like this. No counting. Hold this position. Good. 5 more seconds. And slowly come up. Awesome. Great job, you guys. Continue.
Hi everybody, my name is Master Taylor Kelly. I'm the creator of Dojo Go, and today I'd like to introduce to you Dojo Go Comics, a complete series of martial arts inspired comic books and a future animated series for children. Our stories will focus on life lessons derived from martial arts that will teach the kids the values of hard work, discipline, overcoming obstacles, and being a force of good in this world through acts of virtue. The first issue of the Dojo Go comic universe, laying the groundwork for all future projects, will be called Dojo Go, The Book of Perseverance, Chapter 1. This story is about the origins of Dojo, where he comes from, and why the legendary Monkey King has chosen him to be next in line to get the Cosmic Belt. A mysterious belt that changes color based on the strength of the user's integrity, courtesy, self-control, and indomitable spirit. Now, Dojo is by no means the chosen one. In fact, someone else may argue it's not his birthright to get the belt. However, Dojo, someone who lacks talent, must learn and struggle in order to become the hero the world needs him to be. Dojo will learn from a variety of teachers and masters not only the skills to defend himself and others, but will also learn to grow in virtue and unlock the true potential of the Cosmic Belt by unlocking all 5 tenets of Taekwondo. To ensure your kids will be following an entertaining but also morally acceptable story, we follow a 3 simple code of ethics that ensure your kids will be reading acceptable material. Number 1, no political agendas. So many shows and so many books these days have been pushing out political agendas and wokeness over giving kids a good, entertaining story that not only will teach them the morality of good values, but also inspire them to become the best version of themselves. None of our stories will have any political agendas in it. There's not going to be any wokeness, so don't worry, that's not going to be in our stories. Number 2, the ends won't justify the means. Unlike what society may be showing to kids, none of our stories will adhere to the concept of consequentialism. This is the belief that the morality of an action is based solely on its consequences. This is no different than someone robbing a rich person and giving it to a poor person. The action is still wrong. So none of our stories will adhere to this concept. And number 3, morality will be presented with Judeo-Christian principles. All of our stories will take place in a world where God exists. Not pagan or mythological gods, but the God of Abraham. Many stories today either try to exclude God completely or try to replace him with mythological gods or Eastern religions, or even worse, the demonic. But not our stories. Characters will acknowledge the existence of him, and the comic universe will be presented in a way where Christian Judeo principles are the foundation for society. Along the way, there will be some characters that have a hard time coming to terms with the supernatural. Our stories will present a realistic view of what it's like to be a person of faith in a secular world. The first series of comics will be a 10-part series covering the tenet of perseverance. Perseverance is one of the 5 tenets of Taekwondo, and one could argue that it stems from the cardinal virtue of fortitude. Fortitude is the moral virtue that ensures firmness in difficulty and constancy in the pursuit of something good. It strengthens the resolve to resist temptations and overcome obstacles in the moral life. The virtue of fortitude enables one to conquer fear, even the fear of death, to face trials and persecutions. This is a great lesson for kids to learn in a world today where fear is rampant in society. It is our hope that this series covering the tenet of perseverance will inspire kids to stand up for what's right and to not give up when things are difficult. As a supporter of our Kickstarter, you will not only get a signed exclusive cover of our comic book, but you'll also get a personal message from me as well as the author. Help us reach our goal to support a family-friendly, Christian morality-based, martial arts-inspired comic books for children.